Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and as you can see, Mother Nature has not been the kindest to my face this month. So anyways, I'm gonna continue my 5-minute look series, and today we're gonna be doing a wash of purple with some glowiness. Let's get started. So first we're gonna peel these off. I'm gonna start with sunscreen. This is the FRE-C sun lotion from Dr. Vita Clinic. Taking it down my neck. I'm going to prime my skin with the BECCA First Light Priming Filter. This is the purple one. And for my base, we're gonna do a combination of 2 products. The favorite BUXOM Divine Goddess Luminizer, and I'm gonna be using the Clinique Even Better makeup today. And I didn't realize how pigmented this stuff was. I use it on my Instagram and I was very surprised. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this today and just rub it all over my face. Let's start with that and into my forehead. I tweezed my eyebrow and tweezed my skin accidentally, so that's what that is. It's always really exciting when that happens. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown and just going over the natural shape of my eyebrow. Go over them with the LANCOME brow gel. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm going to actually prime my eyes a little bit. I don't normally use primer. Let me move this over. I don't normally use primer because I just don't care that much about eyeshadow, especially when I'm doing washes of color. I don't care if it looks unkempt. I am going to add a little bit just to kind of cover up where I cut my eyebrow earlier. I'm just going to use the Benefit Dandelion Shy Beam, which I will be putting underneath my eyes in a little bit. Today I'm going to be using the Wander Beauty WANDRESS FLING palette, and I'm going to be using this purple shade right here called Orchid. I think I'm going to actually set my eyes with this color called Eden first. Spray my brush a little bit. Oh, I got Fix Plus all over this freaking mirror. And I'm going to apply it with my eye kind of open because I have slightly hooded eyes. So I don't want there to be a lot of eyeshadow in here. I think this looks really bad on me when I have eyeshadow that comes up underneath my eyebrow. I know a lot of people can do it and it looks really good, but on me, I feel like it looks dirty. So I'm just gonna make sure that it doesn't go too far into this area. I just want to lay down the base first and then I'll do the details. By details, I mean just coming as close to my lash extensions as I can without them falling out. Now I'm going to take a MAC 217 brush and I'm just gonna take the tiniest bit on it and just blend out the edges so it doesn't look harsh. I don't want to drag it up here because, like I said, that makes it look dirty on me personally. That's my personal preference. And I'll look straight forward to make sure it's not going too crazy in that area. Moving on to the concealer, Shy Beam Dandelion, like I mentioned before, right underneath my eyes. On the blemishes, I'm going to add some concealer, so I'll be using the KKW concealer in shade 3. I think that's it. Put a little bit there. And I'm gonna blend out my under eyes. And I'm tapping around it first with the Beauty Blender because there is quite a bit of product on there, and I'm just kind of using that to cover up any other kind of darkness that's around my skin because concealer spreads pretty far. That's why you don't need too much. And I'm gonna go over the little spot right here. This month was a bad month for me for breakouts. Usually I only get one a month and it's really manageable, but I don't know what happened this month. Let's use our fingers. Alright, I'm tapping this out, distributing what's left onto other areas of my face because this whole area doesn't need all of this. Now I'm gonna take this same purple and I'm just gonna put it underneath my eyes, kind of like, okay, how am I gonna say this? So when you put this really close into this little crease right in here, it kind of helps mask any creasing that you would naturally get from like any product that's underneath your eye. Put it like right in here and blend it down and you'll get rid of any of those little creases that happen right in here. I hope that makes sense. And I really like this eyeshadow because it reminds me of this streetwear nail polish color that I had in the 90s. Bronzer, Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow. Pressing that into my cheekbones. Bring it up on my face, not down. So you find where that line is and you bring it up, bringing out your cheekbones. And we're gonna go for a pink cheek today to match with the purple that's going on. This is Glossier Puff, my favorite one. All around the cheek. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to apply that pimple, or what's left of it. Just patting all around, making sure everything is blended. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. I am a huge fan of these. They're so easy to apply and they give you the most insane glow without looking insane. I like to use my finger personally. Like, that's a huge surprise, but it just looks so good. Taking the excess down my nose. I think I'm uncovering that pimple now, but it's so annoying. Soft spoken lip liner from NYX, and just line my lips really fast. Before I forget, let me do my inner corners. What a difference that makes. I do so weird. We're gonna finish off with some gloss. I'm using the Super Glazed Lip Cream from Half Caked in the shade Baby Girl. I'm gonna take my clip down because I wanna hide that pimple. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this purple wash of color today, and if you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. I have a lot of different colors that I have planned that are really quick and easy date night looks and everyday sort of fun colors to wear. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.